Hi, welcome to Unity 2017 2D Game Development, a beginner's guide video course by Pact Publishing. I'm Alistair Ruane and I will be the presenter for this course. Lauren S. Ferro has a PhD in player modeling. She works as a gamification consultant and designer in many different industries. She is an active researcher in user-player-centered design. Lauren runs game workshops that focus on designer user-centered gaming experiences. She is also the creator of a game design resource, GamyCards, which is a prototyping tool for game experiences. She is passionate about the future of games, their technologies, and their potential to improve people's lives. In this course, we will explore how to use the powerful 2D features of the Unity engine to create two amazing games. The first section, Press Start. I will provide you with a primer about what is involved in game design and development. The next section, Working with Assets, will get you started with Unity. This section begins with our first game, Angel's Cakes, and continues by explaining the importation of assets so that you can set up the foundations of the game. The section, Let's Make Some Prefabs, continues the development of our first game by introducing fundamental concepts in Unity. The fourth section wraps up the first game and will guide you through understanding user interfaces, UIs, in Unity. After that, in the section Freeze, Creating an Intergalactic Shooter, marks the beginning of the second game, which will take place in outer space. This section will also introduce the animation system of Unity. The second last section is all about adding a bit more substance to our shooter by integrating AI enemies into the rest of the game. The last section, Getting Serious About Gameplay, further iterates on the second game by implementing other core game mechanics, as well as various suggestions and explanations on how to improve it. For this course, you will require Unity 2D software and any editor. Here I have used MonoDevelop Editor. By the end of this course, you will work with Unity 2017's new 2D workflow and create a 2D scene. Be able to set the scene with different types of backgrounds. Bring your characters to life through simple animations. Understand the core concepts of programming. Create buttons and game controls. Add audio and feedback. Now that we know what lies ahead, let's jump right in to the course.